Okay, so it's another problem from Code Chef. So let's read what they are trying to say. You are given a strictly convex polygon. So by the way, polygon is if you have at least three sides and all those three sides are connected with each other. That's a polygon. So you have given a strictly convex polygon and with the n vertices. For each validate the coordinates of the ith vertex are x of I and y of I. You may perform the following operation any number of times including 0. Okay. Consider parent polygon. Initially this is the polygon for you for our given. Okay, draw one of its child polygon, a simple non-degenerate polygon such that each of its side is a chord of the parent polygon. That means if you have okay, let's suppose you have okay, let's suppose you have a polygon like this, and you can't draw. Child polygon line like this. You can draw like this, but you can't draw overlapping lines. Okay. So the operation cannot be performed if the parent polygon does not have any child polygon. Okay. So this only okay. Let's check this how it's happening. When it's happened. The child polygon when the child polygon which you drawn become the new parent. Okay. So your goal is to draw as many side of polygon in total as possible. Find its maximum total number of sides. They give us an input where the first line is n and followed by coordinates of the polygon. So let's see how we can solve this. Let's suppose you have okay, for the any polygon you have at least three sides, right? So first of all, okay, for any polygon you have at least three sides, so n is always 3. If n is less than 3, then there is no polygon, we can simply return 0. Okay, for 4, if I have 4 sides, then I can't create any child polygon which doesn't overlap its sides. Okay, so in that case our answer is 4. Okay, let's suppose I have 5 sides like this. So still I can't draw any child polygon with I can't create any child polygon who doesn't overlap its side with the parent polygon sides. So in that case our answer is 5. In case of 6, 6. Okay, so in that case we can create a one polygon like this. Six. Okay, for 6 we can't create any polygon, so answer will be 6 in this case. But if I have 7 side, Okay, it's okay. If I have a seven sides, in that case, uh, okay, in that case I can create a three-sided polygon, right? So 7 plus 3 is 10. So our answer is 10. And our new polygon is this one. So we can't further create a child of this polygon. So that's why I stop on 3. Okay. So let's suppose if I have 8 sides. Wait. Okay. So in case of 8, I can still create a sorry okay, so in case of 8 I can create a 4 side, right? So 8 plus 4, it's 12. Okay, so further you can draw any polygon. So my solution is simple. If you have greater than 6n, like 7 or 8, you have to just divide it by 2, and after dividing by 2, if it's greater than 6, okay, forget it. Okay, you can do like this, n by 2, and if it's greater than 6, then you can do further n by 2 until your capital N is less than 7, or you can say less than or equal to 6. That's how you can answer this question. So I already did this. I'll show you. Okay, one more thing I want to discuss here. And what I did, I created an array which is pre-computed. I created an array which is pre-computed, right? And I store all the values. If I have 1, then my answer is, and if I have 2, my answer is 2. If I have 3, then answer is still 3. If I have 4, the answer is still 4, and so on. I pre-compute this and store it in nums. Okay, so here's the answer. If I have less than 6, then my answer is 6, and I compute it recursively, right? And return back and print. You can also do this store. You can also do this array. Here is my submission. You can see.